Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll take you through step-by-step strategies to increase your followers on TikTok and help you go viral. TikTok is a dynamic platform where creativity meets community, and with the right approach, you can attract a loyal following. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand your audience. Before you start creating content, take some time to analyze who your target audience is. Look at trends, common interests, and the type of content they engage with. This will help you tailor your videos to resonate with viewers. Step 2. Optimize your profile. Your TikTok profile is your first impression. Use a recognizable profile picture and write a catchy bio that reflects your personality and niche. Don't forget to include links to your other social media accounts to build a cross-platform presence. Step 3. Stay updated on trends. TikTok is all about trends. Regularly check the Discover page to see what challenges, sounds, or hashtags are popular. Incorporate these trends into your videos, but make sure to add your unique twist to stand out. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Quality matters. Ensure your videos are well lit, have clear audio, and are visually appealing. Invest in a good camera or use your smartphone wisely. Editing tools can enhance your videos, so utilize them to create engaging content. Step 5. Post consistently. Consistency is key in building a following. Create a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. Whether it's daily or a few times a week, find a rhythm that works for you. Step 6. Engage with your community. Engagement is crucial on TikTok. Respond to comments on your videos, interact with other creators, and participate in challenges. This not only builds relationships, but also increases your visibility on the platform. Step 7. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags help your content reach a broader audience. Use a mix of trending hashtags and specific ones relevant to your niche. This will increase the likelihood of your videos being discovered by users interested in your content. Step 8. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with fellow TikTokers can expose your profile to new audiences. Look for creators within your niche or those who complement your content style. Joint videos can be fun and mutually beneficial. Step 9. Analyze your performance. Keep track of your video performance through TikTok's analytics tools. Pay attention to what types of content resonate with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Step 10. Be authentic and have fun. Last but not least, be yourself. Audiences are drawn to authenticity. Create content that reflects your true personality and interests. When you enjoy making videos, it shows, and your enthusiasm can attract more followers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tricks on growing your TikTok presence.